I will admit, it is pretty impressive. Behold the majesty of a proper GAC box.
Once upon a time, I had little drawers in here all filled with individually colored things.
Until that one time where you didn't close it and it tipped over.
And I fell over and my tools went everywhere and this thing went everywhere and I was surrounded by people and I couldn't freak out. It was horrible. Couldn't have my little fucking hissy fit.
The DewClaw is here, mic'd up.
Yeah.
And we are going to look at a Deutz diesel Jenny. Deutz, air-cooled, virtually indestructible, runs forever until it don't. I bought this on a Kijiji deal. The generator wasn't working, but the diesel was, so it was priced in such a way it was just kind of a more pain in the cant to get it out of there. So I got it off a poultry farmer down the coast. No farmer in his right mind would ever get rid of a non-working piece of equipment. You never know when you're going to need a non-working piece of gear. I mean,
I've noticed a pattern forming between all these farmers for sure.
Well, and that's the thing. If you don't have enough non-working gear, you got to go and buy other people's non-working gear.
I guess, farmers have kids and then eventually they got to get money somehow. They can't just...
And this is never good, however, when there is a brand new something. What?
It's an Amazon VR for sure.
For those of our viewers not in the know,
AVR, sorry.
For those of you not in the know, what is an AVR?
That's automatic voltage regulator. Put in most generators, or any generator I've ever seen, but I haven't seen them all. So I poked around a little bit. Nothing's grounded out. The windings, I didn't spread it apart to see all the windings, but the windings seem okay. All the windings, but the windings seem okay. But the windings seem okay. The windings seem okay. Positive and negative here, and then we...
I'll just point your interest down here, down below, where we are translating into a human readable format from elk chicken to human.
We're gonna take our trusty Makita battery that can do just about anything. Start a car,
start a fire,
fire a generator up, power your drill. I mean, geez, is there anything that thing can't do? Just to be extra safe, I'm gonna put a switch in line, momentary switch, and then to be extra safe, I'm gonna even put a diode in line if I can find it. No, I got...
Where is that diode?
I got glaucoma.
It was just here.
I got glaucoma, man. I can't see. Fucking, I'm high as fuck. Can't see. What the fuck? What do you expect, man? Obi-Wan diode right here. We're gonna shove it in either this way or that way. One way it's gonna work. One way it's not gonna work. We're just gonna...
It's a 50-50-90. 50% of the time you get it wrong. 90% of the time.
I like those odds.
So essentially what we're doing is, and by we I mean DewClaw, is injecting direct current into the field winding of the generator, the stator, in case it had lost all of its residual magnetism, and then it can't auto excite. It needs a little something in the spank bank to get going. He's gonna DewClaw's gonna use his expertise to do that.
I'm not sure what happens if you put the positive to the negative and negative to positive, but I've heard it's terrible. So
wouldn't it just run backwards?
I don't know. See, I'm not sure.
I got a feeling.
I think it blows the diodes out.
No, once this thing hits 88 miles an hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
Look at that, little piggyback fucking clips. Yeah. So,
where does he get all these wonderful gadgets?
Well, it's all part of the GAC, the wonder of the GAC.
In GAC we trust. No smoky.
Okay, so it's because I got Mr. Momentary here, right? So we're not even lit up. So now we gotta fire this puppy up, wet it up, and then.
So you want the diesel turning?
We need the diesel turning, and I might as well we'll put a voltmeter on the other end there. Make sure, see if we get some output.
See, the good thing about this is, if we get the polarity wrong, we might not get any output, but we'll definitely get some put out. It's a win-win. And currently we have
0.000. So we're a ways away still.
Okay, so I'll flash up the diesel, and then you keep your finger off the trigger until I come around with the camera.
Yeah, no, sure. And then, okay, make sure you got your blast shield and and safety boots and.
We go manual. It's starty.
Hey, there is some voltage. Looks like there's some voltage already. So. Whoa. Okay, well.
Well, I think she's dead forever now.
Oops. I think it's toast, man. Inside there, because you see it was just starting to put out just when it caught fire, right?
Yeah. Never a good sign. And still smoking.
I don't think it was this that destroyed it.
Yeah, no. I think it was F to begin with.
Yeah.
And we just helped it along its way to the happy hunting grounds. Gave it a Viking funeral.
That's right. Now it goes to Valhalska.
The DewClaw is going to take a look down at the bottom of the thing. I think he thinks we maybe roasted a pussy or something. Something sleeping in there.
Yeah, hopefully it wasn't just a rat going up. Well, actually, hopefully it would be, but let's fucking. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, she's cooked.
Fire it
She's
up
cooked.
again.
So there were sparks
fucking
shooting out of
dark.
there.
Yeah.
But not electrical sparks, just mechanical sparks. The nice, friendly orange ones.
Right.
Not the nasty,
Not the bright white ones.
bright white, blue ones.
Right.
We've had a chance to sit and think about what we did. Had a job, a hazard assessment, and the results are
Yeah.
there is powdered copper, melted powdered copper, and a distinct high note of death, electrical variety. So despite having our insurance all paid up here, we are not gonna flash it up again. So the question remains now, what to do with this thing. There is some very pretty dingo balls of melted copper in the bottom. I think what we'll do, put a hydraulic pack on here or turn it into lawn ornaments. Who can say what the future holds? Thanks for watching. Hey, sometimes you're the fucky, sometimes you're the fuckor.
Sometimes you're just the electrician who happens to be there.